Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 25C, page number 343. In this exercise, we will solve units conversion of volume. Means we will convert the unit like meter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter, and 1 kilometer like kilometer to meter. So likewise, unit conversions we will do. Okay. So here, as you know that already means like we are converting the unit. If we are coming from is highest unit to the, if you are converting highest unit to the lowest unit, so what we are doing, we are multiplying. So how many steps we are crossing means likewise we are doing. If we are converting means lowest to highest unit, so that for this we are dividing. Okay, so that we already know, means highest to lowest we are coming, so that we will multiply like 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeter. Okay, so that is 10, so it will multiplied by centimeter to millimeter will multiply by 10. Suppose like meter to kilometer you are going, so you have to divide, means lowest to highest you are going. So such process you already you know about this now. So here it is, but it was earlier this type of process when we are solving. So that was actually only simple unit, like it was written only meter or centimeter or kilometer. But now here you can see in this chapter you will see like this: meter cube, centimeter cube. Okay, so cube means that is 3 times, that means that is 3 times. Suppose one, I just show you. Suppose one, as you know that in 1 centimeter how many millimeter, in 1 centimeter you know that how many millimeter, 10 millimeter. Okay, how many millimeter, 10 millimeter. In 1 centimeter how many millimeter, 10 millimeter. But now suppose the same thing, if you just do the cubing, means this side is also you are cube, means 3 times, and this side also you cube it, means 10 millimeter, and it's a cube. Okay, so cube means 3 times. The same numbers we can write for 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Okay, and here is also 10 mm into 10 mm millimeter into 10 mm. Okay, so now you can solve this 1 centimeter 1 centimeter 1. So 1, this 1 into 1 into 1, so it is 1 only. Now here is centimeter 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 3 times, so it is centimeter cube equals to, here is that 10 into 10 into 10, 3 times 10 means 3 zeros you can write. Okay, now millimeter 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 3 times, so this is millimeter cube. So you can see that this in 1 centimeter cube how many millimeter, which is 1 centimeter cube equals to 1000 millimeter cube. Okay, but here actually 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. But why this difference is coming? The difference is because of the unit. This now it is in the cubic. Okay, and now it was in the only simple basic unit. Okay, standard unit it was earlier, but now it is in the cubic. And this is we can do for the square also. If it is the square, so 2 times we will do this same concept we will follow in this unit conversion. Only we will do for the multiplication like 3 times, or like cube it is. So like this 1 centimeter, so like this same examples we have solved. Okay, like in a 1 meter how many centimeter, so you know this, in a 1 meter how many centimeter, in 1 meter how many centimeter, 100. In 1 meter how many centimeter, 100 centimeter. So if it is a cube, means it is a cube means 3 times 100, so 100 and one more 100, it will be multiplied 3 times 100. So how many zeros are there, count 2 2 4 2 6 0, count here is 260 or not. Okay, so likewise you can convert it. Similarly you can reverse it also. Reverse it means lowest to highest you will go. So lowest to highest you will go, you have to divide it. Okay, so here also to convert centimeter to millimeter you have to multiply by 1000. If you are converting millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide by 1000. Okay, millimeter to centimeter means lowest to highest you are going, so you have to divide. Centimeter to millimeter means lowest to highest you are highest to lowest you are coming, so you have to multiply. Okay, so this is this you can remember it, learn it. So these same things we will follow here. So now next we have the capacity. Capacity is nothing but the volume or space inside hollow object is called its a capacity. Capacity means suppose any container, so in that container how much quantity can hold, means how much quantity can be inserted, that can be taken out. So that is how many, means the quantity that can be hold. So the volume or space inside hollow object is called its a capacity. Okay, so this is a new term for you. You just remember this is this relation between the liter and centimeter. there is again, this is the relation between liter to centimeter. So this relation is like that. If there is a 1 liter, so if which type of, it's a, if 1000 centimeter cube, 1000 centimeter cube is that, if the, in this is the one of the container, this is the three-dimensional container. Okay, three-dimensional container. In this container means like L will be also 10. Okay, B breadth will be also 10 centimeter. Okay, and the height will be also 10 centimeter. Okay, so if you have the container like this, which have the length 10 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter, and height 10 centimeter, it means that container can hold, 1 liter. That container can hold 1 liter if the, you have the dimension of a container like this. If the 10 centimeter is a length, 10 centimeter is a breadth, and 10 centimeter is a height, so that type of container can hold the 1 liter. Okay, so that's the capacity. So this is the one of the relationship. Another one more is there, which is this one, that is, in a 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. In a 1 meter cube, that is the 1000 liter. So in 1 meter cube 1000 liter means that, this is the one of the another relation, this is the 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. Okay, so this is the means, it means that you have the container like this, where the capacity it is made of, its a dimension is like that, its a length will be 1 meter, its a breadth will be also 1 meter, and its a height will be also 1 meter. Such type of container, this type of container can hold how much liter? That can hold up to that, this capacity will be 1000 liter. If its a dimension is 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, and 1 centimeter height, it can hold 1000 liter. Okay, if a container whose dimension is like 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 10 centimeter, so that can hold only 1 liter. Got it? The relation you can understand. Its a dimension is like 10 10, and its a dimension is 1 1, but it is 1 meter, 1 meter, and 1 meter. So this 1 meter dimension is there, if suppose, so it can hold 1000 liter, it can hold the 1000 liter. Okay, and this is the 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter, and this is 1 centimeter, this is the 1000 centimeter. Okay, this is the 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter, means its dimension is like a 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. So it can hold the only 1 liter. Got it? So it can 1 liter, and it can hold 1000 liter. If it is holding 1000 liter, it means it is a 1 meter cube, it's a dimension. If it is holding the 1 liter only, so its dimension will be 1000 centimeter cube. Got it? No. So based on this, we will solve some questions. So these are the some relations. So you can just go through and you can learn this. If you have any difficulties, you just write down, and again you can solve these things. You will understand. So you just learn it. When 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter, 1 milliliter equals to 1 centimeter cube. Okay, so likewise you can learn it. So these are the 1 kiloliter equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros on there. So this is a centimeter cube. So likewise you have to learn, like 1 millimeter equals to 1 centimeter. Why? Because this is you can divide it, this 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter. Okay, so as you just see here, in a 1 liter, how much here it is? 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So for this it is 1 centimeter cube. So 1 milliliter equals to 1 centimeter cube. So there is again one relation. If there is a 1 milliliter, so it is equals to 1 centimeter cube. So it is here again the relation is like that. So its a dimension is L will be the 1 centimeter, breadth will be again 1 centimeter, and height will be again 1 centimeter. So dimension is the container is like this. L is 1, B is 1, and H is 1. So it means that can hold only 1 milliliter. Got it? So you just learn this all. So now we will solve exercise 25C. The first one, convert. You have to convert. First one, you have to convert 7 centimeter cube to millimeter cube. Means it is given, question number 1, this is 1. It is 7 centimeter cube to millimeter cube. Okay, so this is the highest unit, this is the lowest unit. To highest to lowest you are going. So what you have to do? Multiply. So multiply by how much? So centimeter to millimeter when you are going, so you have to multiply by 1000. So it is 7 into, because in the 1 centimeter is the equals to 10 millimeter, so it is for the cube, so 1000. So now this become your millimeter cube. So it will be 7,000 millimeter cube. So that's the answer. Okay, now next question number 2. This is millimeter to centimeter, means again you can see this is the lowest to highest you are going, so you have to divide. So you have to divide by how much? Millimeter centimeter, so divide by 1000. So you can divide, so you will divide, you will get the 60 centimeter cube. Its answer will be 60 centimeter cube. Okay, next question number 3. 0.0086 meter cubes to centimeter cube, means meter to centimeter, highest to lowest you are coming, it means you have to multiply. So by how much? So you just solve it. Question number 2, sorry 3, number 3. 0.0086 meter cube to centimeter cube, you have to convert. So this this meter cube to centimeter cube means in a 1 meter how many centimeter? 100. So but it is a cube, so 3 times 100 you can multiply. 100 into 100 into 100, so in a 1 there will be 6 0, so this will be multiplied with this. So from here to here you will convert, you will multiply by how much? So meter centimeter, so 100 again 100 again 100, so multiply by this much quantity. So now you can multiply 0.086 multiply by 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now what you can do, we can remove the this decimal. So 1 2 3 4 0 will be there, and 4 0 from here cancel. So now, and this is the your centimeter cube. So now next you can solve. Here it will be, so 0. This is the 86 only here into, this is the here 100. Okay, 86 into 100, so 86 into 100 it will be 8600 centimeter cube. So this is your answer. Okay, so only you have to see this, you are converting from which unit to higher to lowest or lowest to highest, so that you have to take care. Now next question number 4, you can see this question number 4. Centimeter to meter means lowest to highest you are going. Okay, lowest to highest means you have to divide. So this question number 4, like 5000 centimeter cube to meter cube you have to convert. So lowest to highest you are going, so you have to divide by centimeter to meter, means it means again you have to divide by 1 2 like 300s you have to multiply. This is the 6 0 will be there, so you have to divide like this. So now this will be 5000, it will be divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. Okay, and now it will be your meter cube. Okay, now 3 0 and it's a 3 0 will cancel. So now 5 by 1000, and this is your meter cube. Now you can convert it also. So right, you can 0 0 5 meter cube. So that's your answer. Okay, so because 3 0 is there in the denominator, so in the you can count 3 decimals and put the 3 places you count and put the decimal, so it is your answer. Okay, now next question number 2. This is express in centimeter cube, means centimeter cube you have to express, and the is this questions given in the liter. Got it? So means centimeter and liter, that relation we know, that means 1000 in the 1 liter how many centimeter cube? 1000 centimeter cube, that relation we know. So based on this we will do. So question number 3 I will solve. So this question number 2, number 3. Okay, so number 3, it is given 0.0068 liter it is given. So it is this you have to convert in the this all you have to convert in the centimeter cube. This is you have to convert in the centimeter cube. So we know that, what we know that, so here we know which is the formula is there, the relation we know that the relation is 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. Just now we have studied. So 1000 liter, this 1000 centimeter cube means dimension will be 10 10, length 10, breadth 10 and height 10. So this type of dimension, this kind of container is there, so that can hold 1 liter. So now this, so in the 1 liter 1000, so for this 0.06 liter how much centimeter cube? Simply we can multiply. So we can multiply by this 0068 multiply by 1000. Okay, so now this became now centimeter cube. So we can solve this one. So we can remove this decimal. So 240 will be here, 30 will cancel. So now again it is left 68 by 10. It is now left here upper, here is 68, now there is 10. Okay, and now this is centimeter cube. So you can write 6.8 centimeter, 6.8 centimeter cube. That's your answer. Okay, so this is the only, you have to learn it. 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter, and 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter, and also one more, 1 milliliter equals to 1 centimeter cube. Three formulas are there that you have to learn. Now next question number 3, express in liter. The question is given in centimeter cube, and that is you have to convert in the liter. So that's just vice versa of the earlier question. This is the okay. So here I just question number 1, 8000 centimeter cube it is given. 8000 centimeter cube it is given. Number 3, question number 1, it is given 8000 centimeter cube it is given. So you have to convert. So you know that, so always you have to write like this, 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. It is known. Okay, so here what arrangement I can do? So for this 1 centimeter cube, so in 1 centimeter cube how much it will be in a 1 centimeter cube? So 1 by 1000 liter, 1 by 1000 liter. So we can do like this. So in a 1 centimeter cube, 1 by 1000. So how much centimeter cube is given? 8000. So right here 8000 centimeter cube will equals to 1 by 1000 multiplied by this 8000, and now it will become the liter. So now we can cancel 30, cancel. So now left only 8 liter. So that's your answer, 8 liter. Got it? So in this way we can do. This is your solution. Now next question, question number 4, express in liter. Express in liter. So in the question is given, you can see it is given in meter and centimeter. One is given in centimeter. So you have to see the units it is given. So you have to convert in liter. Okay, so here question number 2 I will solve. So question number 7, question number 4 it is question number 4, number 2, which is given 27 meter cube it is given, and you have to convert this into the liter. Okay, so so we know the relation is there, 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. We know this relation, 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. So now we can solve. So simply in a 1 meter 1000, so 27, so we will multiply it. So it will be 27 into 1000. So this will be your liter. So it is your 27. So this is your answer, 27000 is the answer. So in this 27 meter cube equals to 1 10 100,000, 27,000 liter. Got it? So in this way we can solve. And next question you can see. Next question we have, which is here it is given in the centimeter cube. This is given in centimeter cube, number 3. So number 3 we can solve. So in this question you can see this is number 4, number 3. Okay, so we will use the another one. It is given 3.8 centimeter cube. It is not given meter. Okay, centimeter cube. So what we will use? The same formula earlier one. So 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. Okay, 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. So the same thing we will apply for the 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube it will be 1 by 1000 liter. So now for 3.8 we will multiply by this it. So we can multiply. So 3.8 multiply by 1 by 1000 liter. So now we can solve it. So this we can remove the decimal. So 10 will come here. So now total is 4 zeros are there. Okay, now total is 40, 3 here, 3 plus 1 40. So 3 at first you write 1 2 3 4. Now put the decimal and 0, and this is your liter. So this is your answer, 0.0038 liter. Okay, so because here it was given in centimeter. Okay. Now the last question, the capacity of a cubical tank 5 kiloliter of water. Okay, the one tank whose which type of shape it has, cubical, and which has the its the capacity is 5 kiloliter of water. Find its the breadth. Okay, if it's the length and depth is given. Okay, so this question number 5. Question number 5, here it is given. So here it is given, like L is given 2.5 meter. Its height is given 10 meter, and its breadth is not given, that we have to find out. Now capacity is given. It's a capacity is given. Capacity is given 5 kiloliter. Actually capacity is nothing but another is, it is the volume. The okay, the volume is given, but it is given in the kiloliter. It is given in kiloliter, and the rest you can see that that is given meter. This units here you can see it is given in kiloliter, and here it is in the meter. So that relation we will use. What was the relation? 100,000 liter equals to 1 meter cube. That relation we will do. So here we will change this kiloliter to liter, simple liter, because there is a relation between liter to meter. So this is the one relation we have, the 1000 liter equals to 1 meter cube. We know this. So here is the relation is there, liter and meter. So here kiloliter is there. So in 1 kiloliter how many liters? So you can multiply by 1000. So 1000, so this will be the liter. So it is 5000 liter. Okay, now this all unit we have. So now we will write the formula. So formula we have volume of tank. Volume of tank equals to L into B into H. So volume of tank, it is given how much? This is given 5000 liter, but this is in the 5000 liter. Okay, so here also one more thing we have to do. This 5000 liter is given. Okay, 5000 liter is given, but we have to convert in the meter. So as we know this, in the 1000 liter 1 meter cube, in 1000 liter 1 meter cube. So in 1 liter, so in 1 liter it will be 1 by 1000 meter cube. Okay, so for 5000 liter, so for 5000 liter it will be multiplied by 1 by 1000. So 1 by 1000 multiplied by 5000. Okay, and now this will be the meter cube. So now here we can divide it. So now left only 5. Okay, so 5 meter cube. Now it is changed, 5 meter cube, it's a capacity. Now we got the 5 centimeter 5 meter cube. Now we can write it here. This is here 5 meter cube. Okay, now here L is given 2.5. Okay, breadth is not given, so write B. Its height is given 10. Okay, now we will swap this. We will shift the sides. Okay, so this 5 is will be here, 2.5 you can bring this side, so it will be in the divide. 10 will be here and B will left there. Now we can solve this one. So here you can see, you can remove the point, so 10 will be there. Now this 10 cancel, 5 5 are 25. So now it is now B equals to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 meter. Now but this, it is in the fraction, so we can convert in the decimal. So it will be 0.2 when you divide. So you will get the 0.2. So your answer is 0.2. The breadth is 0.2. Once again you can see this question. This is the given things, given data. Okay, and capacity is given kiloliter. So this capacity is nothing but volume, and it is in the kiloliter. We converted in the liter. So this is now 5000 liter. But this liter and there is the meter. So we have the relation. This 1000 liter equals to 1 meter cube. So here 1 liter equals to 1 by 1000 meter cube. Then 5000 liter equals to 1 by 1000 into 5000. So that we have solved here. So 5 meter cube we got now. So the volume we get 5 meter cube. So that value we put here, 5 meter cube here, and L into B into S, the formula is there. And then we solve and get the value of B equals to 0.2 meter. So that's your solution. Okay. So in this chapter, whatever the things we have concluded, these are the chapter summary. Once again you go through is like a surface area, lateral surface, volume, surface area of cube, cuboid, room. Okay, so these things, these formulas are there. You once again you revise it, like this, how many faces, vertices. Okay, so that you go through is all. And this is a very important one. In 1 centimeter cube, this is the 1 meter cube. 1 centimeter equals to 1 millimeter. Okay, and this is the 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter या 1 kilometer, or one also 1 milliliter. 1 milliliter equals to 1 centimeter cube. Here already we have. Okay, so this all this units conversion, and this you have to remember and learn it. Okay.